Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to add a business email account to Gmail in 5 minutes. This is a great way to keep your personal and professional life separate while still having the convenience of using one email account. The process is almost the exact same whether you want to add a custom domain email from Bluehost, Namekeep, HostGator, or any other website hosting company. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how it's done. To add your business email account to Gmail, first, log into Gmail. Then click the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. Next, click on Settings, Accounts and Import, and then Add a Mail Account. Now type in the email account you want to add, and click Next. To add your business email, you have to manually enter the mail settings, so click Next. Then open a new tab and log into the email account you want to add to Gmail. Now search around for your mail settings. These should appear under Configure Mail Client. And your mail settings should look something like this. Now I've opened back up the Gmail window to add the mail settings. Enter the username and password for the email account you want to add, and copy in the mail settings. In the pop server field, add what appears next to incoming mail in your mail settings. Change the port to match what is shown in your mail settings. Leave the first option unticked to save storage in the inbox you are adding. Tick the second option for added security. Tick the third option to add labels so you can clearly see which emails are from which accounts. You can leave the final option unticked unless you want your mail to skip the inbox. Then click Add Account. Now that your incoming mail settings have been added to Gmail, you will receive your business emails in your Gmail inbox. But you will also want to be able to send business emails from Gmail, so you don't need to log into your business email account at all. So click Next. In most cases, you can leave the account name as is. But for example, if you were adding a support email, you might want to change the account name from your personal name to support@yourcompany.com. This way, clients will be able to see that the email is from support when it lands in their inbox. Then move on to the next step. So once again, we need to have the mail settings open. Make sure where it says SMTP server it matches the outgoing server address in your mail settings, and that the port number is the same. Then enter your username and password, and click Add Account. The final step is to verify ownership of the email address. Go to the inbox of the email you want to add. Open the email from the Gmail team, and copy and paste the verification code. That's it. Now you can both send and receive emails from your business email account in Gmail. There's one thing I recommend you do to look more professional. You will see there are two options when replying to a message. Reply from the same address the message was sent to, or always reply from the default address. I would recommend you choose reply from the same address the message was sent to, especially if you have added a business email. This ensures you don't make the mistake of replying to a business email with your personal email. Now, when you reply to an email, it will always reply from the same address the message was sent to. However, you can manually change it if you want by clicking on the down arrow next to the From field. Now that you are receiving email from different email accounts in Gmail, you'll want to clearly see which emails are coming from which accounts so you can prioritize them and stay organized. If you tick the option to add a label when you added your account, you'll see a label appear in the left sidebar. Sometimes this appears further down, so click on the More button to find it. Then click on the 3 dots next to the label. Make sure that you select the label to show in the label list and in the message list. And then to make it stand out, add a label color. Now you can clearly see the mail which is coming from the account you added. That's it. Now you know how to add a business email account to Gmail in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.